Okay guys, I am back, continuing to the previous video unboxing the RENAISSER Pelican KA keyboard and stylus combo. This is the Raphael 530 stylus. Okay, let's see around the box. Okay, it is an active stylus. There's no need for a Bluetooth activation. There is a palm rejection and it's the 1mm nib. Okay, as you can see, the branding is designed in Houston, Texas and made in Taiwan. Okay, the box looks okay. It's cool in black. Okay, as you can pull it out. Okay, here is the pen. Okay, you can see the pen. Well, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, here you go. There's some USB A to USB Type C for charging. Okay, and some quick start guide and some extra tip. Okay, as you can see here, the tip is, I think there is 3 extra hard plastic, and the pen has a soft plastic. I wish they give me more of that. I like that better than a hard plastic. Okay, okay, let's put that aside. Okay, it feel very solid. It's very lightweight to hold. I think it's made of aluminium. It feel and size like a normal pen, as you can see. Okay, it's very good, and the tip, okay, as you can see, it's some kind of plastic, so it may give you some gentle friction when you're writing. I think it has two-way. It has two-way for eraser, uh, like a tail eraser, and I think you can push this button to erase. Let's try it with a Microsoft whiteboard app. Okay, where is my Surface Pro 9? Okay, here as you can see. Okay, let's see. Well, come. Okay, let's try the tail eraser. Okay, it's work. Okay, let's try at the button. Okay, this work also. Okay, I think it's charged by a Microsoft Type C slot. However, I wish there is some covering this charging port. And as I remember, 15 to 20 minutes of charge give you around 50 to 70 hours of usage, which is very impressive. It also managed very smart. It will turn off automatically when you're not using it for around 10 minutes. I think this pen also has a magnetic attachment, so let's try it out whether it stick to the side of my Surface Pro 9. Okay, okay, let's see. Is it stick? No, no, it's not sticky. Okay, here as you can see here. Okay, it stick. Okay, it stick in place, and the good thing is that it does not covering the charging port, which is very intelligently located. It means you can still stick it to the side and you can charge it at the same time. So a nice design, Bravo RENAISSER. Okay, this pen has a built-in Microsoft Pen protocol 2.0 with a 4096 level of pressure, so the writing quality is gonna be pretty similar to the original Surface Pen. Okay, so guys, I will use this stylus for a while to see how it goes, And thank you all, love you all, and goodbye.